Hello, so we want to find the value of y from this equation, right? Solution. Okay, so from here, you use this 5 to open up this bracket to distribute into y and 3. And also do the same thing, using 6 to distribute into minus 2y and 1. Now look at what I mean. 5 times y will give you what? 5y. 5 times minus 3 will give you 15, plus 6 times minus 2y will give you what? Minus 12y. 6 times 1 will give you what? 6. You still have your 2 here. You do what? You collect like terms. Collect like terms. Right? So from here, you have 5y here. You have minus 12y. So 5y minus 12y will give you what? Minus 7y. Minus 7y equal to, here you have, first of all, let's take these numbers to this side. Alright, so this is equal to, we have 2 already. Then when this comes to this sign will change to what? Addition. You have plus 15. This will also change to subtraction. You have minus 6. Right? So here we have minus 7y equal to 2 plus 15 will give you 17. 17 minus 6 will give you 11. Here we have 11. Right, now dividing both sides with the coefficient of y. What's the coefficient of y? The coefficient of y is minus 7. You divide this side with minus 7, divide this side with minus 7. Minus 7 will cancel minus 7. Hence, the value of y is equal to minus 11 over 7. As simple as that.